In lesson 4, we are going to learn a new concept, which is compound finals. You see, all the 6 finals we have learned from before, they are all single finals, like a, o, e. Each final just contains one letter. So the compound finals are actually compound with the 2 or even more finals together. For example, this one, this final is compound with a and e, right? When they are together, we read it as I. So actually the compound finals, again, they are from 2 different finals. So basically, we just put them together. We pronounce them together. We spell them together. For example, this one, we start the sound of a and then go to e, like I, right? But of course, we make a little bit change about it to make it more smoothly or more catching. So it become I. Again, of course, we have to practice the tones. First tone, I. Second tone, I. Third tone, I. Fourth tone, I. So now you get I. And of course, now it's time for us to bring in the initial. So today, we are going to learn 2 initials together. Bring in 2 together because they are very similar to each other. So you see, this is the first one and this is the second one. So the first one with 1 letter, we call it Z. And the second one, we call it as zhi. Did you notice the difference? Okay, so these 2 are all about our tongue. This one, when we pronounce the first one, our tongue is kind of flat in our mouth. We say z. It's flat in our mouth and it's kind of touching the down teeth. Z. But the second one, we roll our tongue a little bit. Zhi. We roll our tongue and it's almost touching our mouth up there. Zhi. Let's try to bring in the compound final. Z, I, zai. Zhi, I, zai. Z, I, zai. Zhi, I, zai. Zai, zai. Okay, second tone. Z, I, zai. Z, I, zai. Zhi, I, zai. Zhi, I, zai. Third tone. Z, I, zai. Z, I, zai. Zhi, I, zai. Zhi, I, zai. Roll your tongue a little bit. Fourth tone. Z, I, zai. Z, I, zai. 知爱债知爱债 Okay, again. 栽摘宰宅宰宅在债 Okay, now the second group of the initials. First one, 思思 Second, 吃吃 Remember your tongue. 吃 Okay, with the final. 思哀猜思哀猜吃哀拆吃哀拆 Second toe. 思哀才思哀才吃哀柴吃哀柴 Third toe. 思哀采思哀采吃哀柴吃哀柴 Fourth toe. 思爱菜思爱菜吃爱菜吃爱菜 Now the last group. First one, 思思 Second one, 吃吃 Together with the final, 思哀塞思哀塞吃哀筛吃哀筛思哀塞思哀塞吃哀筛吃哀筛思哀塞思哀塞吃哀筛吃哀筛思爱赛思爱赛吃爱晒吃爱晒 Okay, that's about 滋呲丝知吃吃 Again, these two groups, they are very similar to each other, so it's very easy for us to make mistakes, even for Chinese people. So, actually, you can try to do more practice. Yeah, you can record your practice down and to see if you can read them differently.